Hi, my name's Tom. It's almost summertime here. It's getting warm, so it's time to pull out the old personal fans. This is one of my most favorite personal fans. It was sent to me to go ahead and tell you all about it, and that's what I'm going to do. So this looks like a typical personal fan. You have your battery pack down here in the bottom. You can go ahead and charge this up. It does come with a USB cable. The USB cable is USB-C. You plug it in on the side, and you just charge it up, plug it into any power block. That's fine. That's how that works. But there's more to this fan than meets the eye. A couple quick things about this fan that a lot of fans don't have. One, there's a wrist strap. That's really nice for when you're actually walking around. You can put the wrist strap on so you don't accidentally drop it. That's a really nice feature. Secondly, there's a little clip right here. This little clip is for a couple different things. If you're actually like in a cubicle or you're along a wall, or maybe you're just hanging out somewhere, you can clip this on and kind of direct this fan, kind of clip it on and keep it upright wherever you want. So that's nice. The clip comes with it. That works really, really well. It also works as a shelf. So you can put it on, if you put it down on a flat surface, you can kind of do it like this. And you're saying, Tom, but that's dumb. That's just going to blow down. I know. That's the next feature. This fan is adjustable. So what you do, if you have a office cube and you're warm, you just put it on the shelf or the flat surface, you turn it on, and you can then go ahead and direct this fan to blow right at you. The way it works is really straightforward. There's a little button on the side. You can go ahead and press it once. That's low. Press it again. That's medium. Press it one more time, and that's high, and I can probably feel it like out to here. It's a good, impressive fan. It works pretty well. It does cool. The little light there indicates that it's on. I just turned it right back off. But there's an extra feature to this little hand fan that most other hand fans don't have. This hand fan has a mister built into it. Watch this. I'm going to turn the fan back on, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hold the button down for a second. Can you see that? It's a little mist. You actually have a liquid mist coming out of this fan. That is really nice. Perfect on warm days. It will go ahead and cool you off. What happens is, that's kind of how perspiration works. When you go ahead and get water on your skin, as it dries off, as it wicks off, it goes ahead and cools the body. This is a nice, cool stream of mist with the fan, and you can always turn it up too. So I turn it up medium, I can do high. Now it's misting the same, but it's blowing really hard against me, so I can actually feel it, and the whole thing feels cooler. It's almost like having a little personal air conditioner, just with a mist and a fan. So that's really kind of clever. You can even go ahead and run the mister. The mister's now even running when the fan is off. It kind of comes out and just kind of disperses. I usually put it on low or medium, but you can feel the mist. I'm going to go ahead and get it on my hand right there. I don't know if you can see it, but now my hand is all wet from the mister. So it is putting out a fair bit of mist. When you put the fan on, it just feels really nice. It's a nice cooling mist. It's basically a little homemade air conditioner, just in a fan and a mister version. To go ahead and turn the mister off again, just go ahead and long press the button again, and it turns off, and there you go. So you can operate the fan and the mister independently. Click here, short click will turn the fan up and down. Go ahead, you press and hold the button down, the mister turns on. So how the heck does this thing mist? Well, you may have noticed already, along the top of the fan is a water reservoir. And the way this works is you just kind of pop this open and you just fill that with water. But don't worry, they give you a little water bottle to easily fill it with water. Here's what you do. You open it up, put it under a sink, fill it up real quick, close it down tight, open that up, and then what you do is you just pull the little plug and you put this in and you just squeeze the water in, and it fills it right up. And you can see now it's filled with water. I'm going to go ahead, it's like almost like a squirt gun. I'm going to go ahead, or a water gun. I'm going to go ahead and push the plug in. Now it's nice and tight there. Ta-da! And now I have water on the top, and now it will mist for a good 15-20 minutes or so, and then I can just go ahead and refill it. Real simple. The battery does last a while. I ran it for at least a half hour, and it's still fine. You can charge it up just fine. It does come with a USB cable. Doesn't come with a USB block, but you plug it into anything. You get USB blocks all over the house by now. It's a really nice mister. I've been using it for a while. It's been warm for the last couple days here. I've had it out here on the porch. I've kind of used it. I sat on the table and I just sat and read with it turned on. That worked really well. The mister does not put out enough water to get you soaked. It just puts out enough to kind of cool you. This would be perfect for vacations, cruises, amusement parks. Oh, theme parks, man. You're going to go out to a theme park, you're going to be out in the sun all day. this is the thing to do. You can just fill it up even at a water fountain if you wanted to. Just go ahead and kind of have this thing misting. It's great. It works really well. I highly recommend this.